Hey guys, it's Gigi here once again with another video. So today's look is this one right here, and today I'll be using the Anastasia Prism palette to create this. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So to start off this makeup look, I'm first going to be priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Potion Primer, and I'm just going to be blending that in with my finger. Like I said, we're going to be using the Anastasia Prism palette, and the first color that we're going to be going into is called Unity, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid. Next shade is going to be Parallel, and I'm going to start it at the outer corner of my eye and blend it slowly into my crease. The next color I'm going to be dipping into is called Obsidian, and it's a really dark black. With this color, I'm going to be focusing it mostly on my outer V and slowly blending it in, but being careful not to go too high up because I don't want the whole eye to be black. So the next color is called Throne, which is a deep green, and I'll be applying this all over my lid using my finger and just bringing it towards the color Obsidian, which I have on the outer V of my eye.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.
Now going back into Obsidian, I'm just going to smoke it out on my upper lash line just to mimic eyeliner. Now I can't forget to clean up my face and get rid of any fallout that I have before going on and doing my foundation and the rest of my face. For primer, I'm going to be using my Holy Grail Dr. Brandt Pores No More just to prime my face and blur any pores that I have. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals BarePro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation in the color Cashmere. And I'm just going to be applying that with a flat kabuki brush all over my face. Now I do have some mixed feelings towards this foundation. I can't wear it for too long because it does break me out, but other than that, it's pretty good. It's medium to full coverage and it's very buildable. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tart Shape Tape, and it's one of my favorite concealers. I am currently on the market looking for a new one, but I feel like this one's just so good, but I'm still looking, so if I find anything better, I will let you guys know.
I know where we can go, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling.
For powders, I'm going to be using the Patrick Starrr and MAC collab. I I bought so many of these powders when it first came out, so I have a stock that I really do love it. Now for brows, I'm going to be using the Eyelure Brow Pomade. But I won't be filming it, but if anyone wants an eyebrow tutorial, please let me know in the comments. For contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Contour Kit in light to medium and just applying it anywhere that I want to have more definition. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with Benefit's Hoola and just adding warmth back into my face. For blush, I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics in the shade We're Going Shopping. And for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. And I really do like this product. And you can't forget to curl your lashes and make weird faces while you're doing it. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Lilly lashes in the style LA, and this is from their premium synthetic lash line, and it's cruelty-free, it's fox mink, and it's reusable, which I love. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the color Celestial. And I first started applying it with a brush, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I just went ahead and used my fingertips. Although I did use a brush to apply this highlight to my inner corners. And for lips, I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics lip kits, and it's the Velvet Lip Kit in the color Bare. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which I absolutely love. this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video because I sure did enjoy creating this look for you. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Bye, guys.